Hi, my name is attorney Greg Steele, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what is an action for separate support and maintenance? In South Carolina, if you don't have a fault ground for divorce, you have to be separated a year to be able to file for divorce. In the meantime, if you want to address issues like child support, alimony, division of your marital property, you can file what's called an action for separate support and maintenance. The court will be able to litigate these issues, divide out property, order custody and child support prior to the divorce action through this action for separate support and maintenance. It's a way that you can address these issues even if you haven't met the requirements to be able to file for divorce. If you have questions about an action for legal support, separate support and maintenance, you can contact me at gregsteelelaw.com.